Out here with Emma. Trail day number 4. Just got started picking trail. Job today is to pick trail, clean up what we built, and mark it out and get ready for Friday's little hare scramble for the family fun day. All right, check in later. Well, day 4, here we are, almost noon. First process is to chisel the trail and then come here with the hoe and get a nice grind on it so the tires will bite. Looking good. We'll check in with you later. Trail day number 4. Here's a couple dumbasses right here not helping. Get up on the trail. All right, what we got here is our teenage crew. Fishers, Darmans, Emma, led by Chris, team captain. We got one guy on the pick. Let's see it. No, too far, too far. There you go. Don't work too hard. Just make it, pull it up a little bit. There you go. All right, this is what it takes to get good trail. Check in later. All right, so we picked the trail to get the edge. We've already been through here with the chainsaw, wallopers, whatever you call them, loppers. And then we come in, we pick it, and then a guy got the hoe, get this lip squared away. Trail building 101. We'll help you guys out with your trails out there. She's recording. Record the drop. Oh, that sucks.
And stick. Oh shit. Shit, move!
Get out there! All right, everybody back. Everybody back.
Okay.
You didn't pitch your back, did you?
No, I'm good.
Oh my god.
What the hell is that?
That would have been on you, kid.
Oh?
Yeah, you would have.
Click. Arrows are going up, and now we're marking our trail here for our family hare scramble. We got the crew coming in. We've got a vertical downward And then we're gonna head into some goat trail, and we're on probably mile number 2. 1.4.
Section 4-9.
All right, what we got here, mapping out the trail. We come down this way. Before this drop, we're gonna send the bikes back up this way, follow that little single track, come back through where Chris is and Travis. And then if you see those stakes right there, that'll be a turn going back uphill to that gentleman right there. Chris is up there with his dirt bike. And he's gonna come back down this trail. We're gonna yellow caution tape it, safety check, and get them back out that gate. So the guys are putting a little sign there to go through that gate. That'll be a part of the show. And we're gonna come right here, turn and go that way. We'll check in with you later. Go around that turn, come back over that dirt pile, come to these boys and take them off right down in there. All right, here we go. We got test run for section 1, 2020 family hare scramble, COVID-19 safe. What happened?
Did they get lost? Maybe they got lost. Now they're coming.
It might take
Yeah.
a
1-2 takes a
we
little
might
time.
need to do a practice loop before the race.